Hi everyone, my Simply Gilded box for the month of December finally got here. It was shipped a little late, but let me show you guys what I received. Here's the little note card with everything that comes in the box. The foil journaling card, it says reflection, honesty, and clarity. It's really pretty. Here are the bow seals with the floral print on them. You can use these for anything and they are really pretty. So we got extra stickers this month. I'm loving the bows, the hearts, the checklist. Everything looks so pretty, and this is the first sheet. Here's the second sheet of stickers. I love the days of the week. The bow box is super cute. The icons, the lace checklist at the bottom, that's a little bit different. And I can't wait to use them. Here's the last sheet of stickers. I really do like the little floral stickers. Those are so cute. The flag stickers are cute too. And the bottom lace little box, that is different. So maybe that's a clue as to something else in the box. Next up is this little notepad, which I love. I love the pink and the gold. Here's a better look at it, and I think it's so pretty. These always come in handy, especially when you need to write on something and you're out somewhere. Next up is this bow charm. I like how the floral isn't really defined on this bow. Let me open it. Here's a better look at it, and I love that little dangly heart that it has. It is so pretty. So here is the journal that we got. Let me open it so you guys can see it better. Here's a better look at the journal. I do love that gold bow. I love the way that the cover feels. Here's the inside, and it has pink lines. That is so cute with the bows on top. I really do like that. This definitely will come in handy to use as a regular journal or just to jot things down. If you need something to write on, it has Simply Gilded etched at the bottom. Here is the pouch that we got, and I do love that it's white. It has a gold D-ring on the side. I love the little gold heart, and it is just so pretty. Here is the first set of washies. I love that there's a smaller and bigger one. I love the gold bow on them, the floral print, and how it has like a light blue background. This is actually really pretty. These are actually really pretty with the floral and gold on them. I do like the top one, how it's pink. The bottom two are thinner washies with the white bows on them. She included this permanent marker that you can write with, which is really nice. So here is the pin, my favorite. I love the pink with the gold bows, the little bow on top. I love how they don't feel cheap. I love that they are refillable, which is really neat. And it has like the really fine glitter on it. So pretty. Here is the first mystery item, and I thought it was weird that it had a lace box in the sticker set. Well, I guess it was a clue to this washi, and it is so pretty. It's the first time she does this, and I really like it. Here is the second mystery item of the box, and it is a cute calendar. I love this calendar. It is so cute. I love the gold. I love the pink. I actually filled out the end of the year survey, and I said we should have calendars at least once a year. I don't know if she did this last year since it's my first time with the subscription box, but this is adorable. I love that you can see the month at a glance. So cute. So here is everything that I received in my December Simply Gilded box. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, and comment. It means the world. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.